Welcome to Golden Harmony, your trusted space for living well, joyfully, and with confidence after 60. Let's dive into today's topic.
As we age, many of us experience hearing challenges, which can make communication tricky. This is especially true during video calls, where clear sound is key. Understanding these challenges helps us find ways to make video calls more enjoyable. With the right tools and a little patience, adapting to new technology can be smooth and rewarding. The first step in making video calls easier is choosing the right device. Ensure your device is compatible with video calling apps and offers good sound quality. Many devices have settings that can be adjusted to enhance hearing, and opting for user-friendly devices can make the process more comfortable. Choosing the right video calling app can make a big difference. Look for apps that offer clear audio features and have an easy-to-use interface. Some apps specifically support hearing-impaired users, making them a great choice. Popular options include Zoom and Skype, which are widely used and trusted. Adjusting your device's sound settings can greatly improve audio clarity during calls. Access the Sound Settings menu to increase the volume and clarity of the audio. Many devices have built-in enhancements for hearing, so be sure to explore these options. It's a good idea to test these settings before starting a call. Headphones can significantly improve sound quality, making it easier to hear conversations during video calls. Choose headphones that are comfortable for long-term use. Wireless models offer more freedom of movement, while wired ones provide a reliable connection. Remember to adjust the headphone volume to a comfortable level. Proper microphone placement can help ensure that your voice is heard clearly. Position the microphone close enough to pick up your voice while reducing background noise. It's helpful to test the microphone setup before making a call. This way, you can communicate effectively and enjoy clearer conversations. Good lighting is essential for video calls, as it helps with lip reading and facial expressions. Avoid glare and shadows by positioning lights effectively. Natural light is ideal, but if that's not possible, use lamps or overhead lights to brighten your space. This makes the call more visually engaging and easier to follow. Closed captions can be a game changer for those with hearing difficulties. Many video calling apps allow you to enable captions, displaying spoken words as text. This feature is invaluable for maintaining understanding during conversations. Be sure to check if your chosen app supports captions, as it can greatly enhance the call experience. Choosing a quiet environment for your video calls is crucial. Find a spot where background noise is minimal, and consider using noise-canceling headphones or apps. By focusing on the conversation without distractions, you can enjoy a clearer and more engaging call experience. Lip reading can be a valuable tool on video calls, helping you understand the speaker better. Focus on the speaker's face, ensuring your video settings provide good quality. Practice with patient friends or family, and over time, this skill can greatly enhance your communication during calls. Don't hesitate to communicate your hearing needs to the people you're calling. Asking them to speak clearly and at a reasonable pace can make a big difference. If you miss something, it is perfectly okay to request repetition. By fostering a supportive environment, everyone can enjoy the conversation more. Keeping your software up to date is important for a smooth video calling experience. Updates often improve app performance and ensure all features work well. They also provide essential security updates, protecting your device and personal information. Regular updates can make a noticeable difference in call quality. Many devices and apps offer accessibility features designed to assist those with hearing impairments. Explore these options to find tools that help you hear better during calls. Customize features to suit your personal needs, and check if specific apps offer additional aids. These tools are there to make your experience more enjoyable. If hearing difficulties persist, it may be beneficial to consult a hearing professional. They can offer solutions such as hearing aids or assistive listening devices. Many of these solutions incorporate technology, making them compatible with video calls. Professional advice ensures you get the best support for your needs. Maintaining a positive attitude is key to overcoming hearing challenges during video calls. Patience and persistence go a long way in adapting to new tools and technology. Celebrate small victories and improvements and encourage self-confidence. With a positive mindset, you can enjoy and benefit from video calls more fully. Joining supportive communities can provide great encouragement. Connecting with others who face similar hearing challenges allows for the exchange of experiences and tips. Community advice can be invaluable, offering practical solutions you might not have considered. Feeling supported by others can make a big difference in your journey. Schedule your video calls at times when your environment is quiet and you're feeling alert. This helps avoid fatigue and distractions, making the call more enjoyable. Discuss convenient times with the people you're calling to ensure a smooth experience for everyone involved. When planned well, calls can be clearer and more fulfilling. Visual cues play a significant role in effective communication. Pay attention to gestures and facial expressions, which can provide context and emotion to the conversation. Encourage others to use visible communication to enhance understanding. By focusing on these visual elements, you can better follow and enjoy the conversation. Regular practice can greatly improve your video calling skills. Schedule consistent practice sessions, which can help build your comfort with the technology. Over time, you will notice an improvement in your skills and confidence. Remember, every bit of progress is a step toward more enjoyable and clear communication. After each call, take a moment to reflect on the experience. Identify what worked well and areas where you might improve. Celebrate the successful parts of the conversation and set small goals for future calls. This reflection can guide you toward even better communication experiences. A stable internet connection is crucial for clear video calls. Check your connection strength and consider repositioning your router for a better signal. Wired connections often provide more reliability than wireless ones. Avoid engaging in other internet-heavy activities during calls to ensure the best possible performance. Involving your family in setting up and troubleshooting video calls can be very helpful. Don't hesitate to ask for assistance with technology, as they can offer valuable support. Share your call experiences with them, which can strengthen family bonds and ensure everyone understands your communication needs. Celebrate your progress and achievements in mastering video calls. Recognize the skills you've honed and share your successes with friends. This fosters a sense of accomplishment and encourages continued learning. Every achievement, big or small, is a step toward more confident and enjoyable communication. Technology is always evolving, bringing new tools and features that can enhance video calls. Keep an eye on these developments and be open to trying new things. Incorporating new features can make calls even more effective and enjoyable. Staying curious and willing to learn ensures that you continue to benefit from technological advancements. By embracing the right tools and techniques, you can overcome hearing challenges and enjoy clear communication. Supporting each other through these challenges makes the journey easier. Celebrate the joy of having clear conversations and look forward to many more enjoyable calls with loved ones. With patience and practice, video calls can be a wonderful way to stay connected.
Thank you so very much for watching this video today. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends if you enjoyed.